Hey guys, I'm Jenn, and I am here to welcome you to the 2023 Stay List, which is Afar's compendium of the best new hotels around the world. I am here in the Chelsea Hotel, which got a recent renovation here in New York City and is now welcoming an entirely new generation of artists and creatives like it once did. I can't wait to show you the rest of the list. Let me take you on a tour.
The Stay List is our yearly spotlight of the new and renovated hotels that we believe are truly game-changing. The hotels we love don't just wow us with their outstanding locations, design, and service. They're also continually looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, benefit communities in meaningful ways, and connect guests to biodiverse landscapes. We vet all of these properties personally to ensure that these hotels are truly walking the walk. This is just a sampling of a few properties on our list, and you can see all 15 winners for this year on Afar.com or in our print magazine. Links to both are in the description. Wildflower Farms is one of the newest hotels from a Burj Resorts collection. It's just a 90-minute drive north of Manhattan, but thanks to its location on a former tree farm, this cluster of 65 cottages feels a world away. We love that city-weary guests from Manhattan can escape the hustle and bustle up here and connect with nature in a slower pace of life, whether that means you're picking up eggs from the chicken coop or walking along the property's scenic trails. Back in New York City, our next hotel is the world-famous Chelsea, which you've already heard a little about. This icon stands out for a completely different reason. It has long been a hub for creatives, having played host to the likes of Andy Warhol, poet Dylan Thomas, and Janis Joplin. Today, it's opening a new chapter with a thoughtful renovation from a trio of accomplished hoteliers, including Sean McPherson, who also did the very cool Jane and Bowery hotels in Manhattan. The hotel feels thoroughly modern in its creature comforts, but with plenty of nods to its past throughout. And now we're off to the Caribbean. Surrounded by nature on the island of Dominica, Coulibri Ridge caught our attention because it's setting a new standard for sustainability in the region. The property is powered by solar and wind and harvests rainwater on site, all while maintaining a luxurious experience for guests. During the day, nearby Martinique is visible from all of the rooms. This next lodge is one that I personally got to visit, and I'm so excited to include it on our 2023 Stay List. And not just because it's in Tanzania, one of my favorite countries. This lodge is part of an incredible conservation-minded company called andBeyond, and it's located on the edge of Serengeti National Park. The existing camp was completely rebuilt into 10 canvas-walled rooms that feature local hardwood that was sustainably sourced. The lodge runs on 80% renewable energy, and as you might imagine, wildlife is the main draw, but staff-led experiences bring guests deeper into nature, be it by spotting elephants on a walking safari or visiting fishing communities on nearby Lake Victoria. In India's history-filled region of Rajasthan, Udaipur has plenty of palatial stays, but the Raffles Udaipur captures the opulence of this historic kingdom with grand architecture, gardens that are home to 30 bird species, and a lavish spa. Set on a private island, this hotel has 101 luxurious lakeview rooms with marble inlay work and hand-painted murals. Pay close attention to the menu at the on-site restaurant Sawai Kitchen, which features regional heirloom recipes. On the lush Indonesian island of Bali, in the jungle north of Ubud, Buahan, a banyan tree escape, is reshaping the high-end hotel experience into one without walls. In this remote, crowd-free part of Bali, guests stay in one of 16 open-air bales or villas. Each villa includes a private infinity pool, a hammered copper bathtub, and boat jetty columns salvaged from nearby Borneo. Guests can visit the property's waterfall, firefly nursery, and open-air spa, and then end the day with a locally sourced meal prepared by Bali-born chef Eka Sunaria. Now I'm taking you to the desert. At Habitas Alula, an otherworldly retreat in the Ashar Valley of Saudi Arabia, the 96 luxury villas were built with organic materials that blend into their surroundings. Some even include their own telescope, evoking the Bedouin experience of stargazing in the Arabian desert. The real draw is the area's deep cultural history.
There you have it, guys. That is the 2023 Stay List. I hope you liked every single one of those hotels just as much as we do. And I hope you visit them soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on the way out, and be sure to check out our other hotel tour videos. We've got a lot of fun stuff in the works too, so stay tuned and watch this space. See you soon.